Hello everyone, this is Trainman1993, and here is part 2 of the train lot I got. This one I got from Andrews Shopping Center in Howland Corners, Ohio. And I had a special order of this. So this is a 2-bay hopper, coal hopper car, an Erie paint scheme here. So some pretty cool details. Here's the knuckle couplers and the brake wheel. Erie 159-100. Pretty nice. It has knuckle couplers as well. And here's this removable, I don't think it's gonna open, but hang on guys. There we go. Here's the removable coal thingy. This coal plastic. And here is here's some weights. Here is 3 stands right here. This looks pretty nice though. So anywho, I'm gonna put this down here. Hang on just 1 second while I go do that right now. And before I close here, I would just want to show you something. What I also got some. I believe this is a 622 replacement knuckle coupler springs here from Kadee. Patrick Subtle, if you're watching this, here's what they look like if you want to replace your springs that are already sprung here. And I also got a dummy frame for the second engine right there, the Bessemer engine I secondly painted here. And the 728 has Nathan M3 train horn on it. So I hope you guys enjoy this vid. Take care and have a good one, and stay tuned for my live stream.